Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Radeon RX 6700 XT. So I bought this card because it was in stock, yeah, I really need an upgrade from this 1060 that I'm using. So let's just unbox it. And here it is. Very small card actually, way smaller than I expected it to be. Probably a bit bigger than my 1060, and I have an HP OEM 1060. Don't worry, I don't have an HP computer. I built my PC. And here's the manual with a quick installation guide. It's pretty good. So, yeah, I'm gonna take my PC, and I'm gonna show you me installing it into my PC. But first I wanna put this back, and I'm going to probably put my HP card in here. Here we have it. So now I just gotta plug it into this power supply, and we should have a upgraded computer. Here it is. Got it all plugged in and all. So now just to put this back in my setup, gotta get some of this dust off. But yeah, here we go. Okay guys, so I'm just on Modern Warfare, and this thing is getting around 230 to 250 frames. That is insane. Like, for example, my last card got like 60 to 90. This is insane. And yes, I am on relatively low settings, but still, this is insane. Alright guys, in Warzone, I'm actually getting over 140 FPS for the first time. So I used to get like around 40 to 60. Now I'm getting literally 130 to around 160. This is insane. I've never had a card this good. Alright guys, so on GTA 5 I'm getting around 100 FPS. Not bad, but I think I'm on higher settings here. So yeah. So on Cyberpunk 2077 with low settings, I'm getting around 100 FPS in game. So let me just load the game up so I can show you. So this is in game. In the menus I get 144.